This is a final video to fix the can attack or click anything, but movement still works issue in Roblox. And if you've been struggling with it, you're in the right place. Are you finding that your character moves fine, but you can't click, attack, or interact with anything in the game? This usually happens because Roblox gets stuck with a corrupted input cache or a minor script glitch that blocks your actions. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and require multiple steps that don't always work. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that fixes it in seconds. All you need to do is reset your local settings and force Roblox to reload its input handler, which restores all your controls instantly. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to do it. So comment below and let me know, and you'll never have this problem again.